Guys, you are welcome back to the channel carelessmedia.automobile. So in this video I'm just gonna explain simple tips or fix about a particular fault I noticed on this car. So you can see that this is a knock sensor. Let me show you the ambience of this car. You can see that it's a Suzuki, a mini bus. So what the owner is facing on this car is, let's say once he has inserted the lever on drive, the car won't move, like it will move sharp first, and secondly, when driving the selection is not that fast, like the RPM will rise to 4 before it would select, and sometimes the 4 and 5 of the gear won't select. So I'm going to change the knock sensor, which is this. I'm going to change this knock sensor. This is the current knock sensor I'm going to put. So I'm going to bring out the old knock sensor. You can see here is it. I'm going to disconnect. Let me zoom. Okay, this is the knock sensor. So I'm going to disconnect the connector, and then I'll fix this. I'll look for a point and fix this, then test run to see how it would work. So what I'm trying to prove is, for a faulty knock sensor, first, the selection would be slow. Secondly, it won't select 4 and 5, which are the last gear. So I'm going to look for a point to attach this. Let me say I'm going to use a 12mm bolt. This 12mm bolt, place something like this. Then I guess I will attach it here. Come over here. No go figure blow your kata come out. Okay. Then after tightening, then I'll just have to set it something like this. So currently this knock sensor would replace this that we have here. So I'll tighten the bolt. Make sure you position very well. And after that, I'll now go ahead and connect the connector. So I'm good to go. So I'll now have to go and test run to see how the movement of the car would be. So hope you find the video helpful. See you in the next video.